Hello everyone, it's Kelly Nickel with Benish Real Estate Group, and this is the See It Now property tour for 1715 24th Street in Bedford, Indiana. Come on and take a look at this adorable home that's had a total refresh. Just look at this amazing front porch. So large, plenty of room for a seating area. You could grill out, host your friends and family. That will be awesome for these summer months that are coming up. So come on in and take a look. I know you are going to love it. It's so creamy, dreamy, light and airy. Everything has been refreshed. This is the main living space. You'll see lots of large windows and natural light in this home. Just makes it feel so calm and comfortable. You've got plenty of room for your living room furniture in here, to host friends and family, or just to get cozy by yourself on the weekend. The kitchen is connected with the main living space. They have an opening here in the wall, so it makes everything feel really open and connected, easy to visit with people in both rooms, kind of see what's happening in the kitchen from the living room and vice versa. So if you want to take a step in here, this is the first bedroom. This is the largest of the two bedrooms. Again, it has the large white windows that bring in lots of natural light. You've got your closet in here, and then you have additional storage built in over here on the side for more clothes, accessories, toys, whatever you might need to stash away. We'll go right into the kitchen. You'll see it has lots of cabinet space and drawers. There's some open shelving storage there. Room for a dining table. And the seller is providing an allowance for appliances in case the buyer doesn't have their own already. I love the countertops in here that have the gray tones that really complements the paint scheme they've got going on here. And off through here is the full bath. It's a large bathroom. It's got a tub shower combo. Like the gray vanity there. Everything totally freshened up. Everything kind of flows together and just has that nice feel throughout. There is a nice linen closet there. And through here is the second bedroom. If you don't need two bedrooms, you could definitely use this as a home office space or a hobby room. Maybe use it as like a fancy dressing room, walk-in closet situation. You've got a really large closet here that's open with the curtains, but lots of space in here to store clothes, or you could have board game storage. If you're maybe a hunter, you've got hunting garb you could keep in there, or whatever hobbies you might have. That would be a good place to store some of that away. Maybe some art, if you're arty, art supplies in there. And I just love the windows and the white trim in here. Now back in here, off of the kitchen, you have a nice big utility room. This is where your washer and dryer would go. So you've got plenty of space back here for that necessary laundry. And this is an exterior door out to the back of the property where there is a detached garage. You could park a car. Let me let you out here. Or you could store things out here. You've got plenty of storage here. It is a small house, but it's got lots of storage, and it's just got just enough of everything, but not too much. So that's perfect. And take a look at that garage here, and access the garage from the alley. So really nice garage door there. You do have a nice privacy fence along this side of the property, which is really nice. Now let's come on in and take one more look at this kitchen, main living space area, all combined here. Yes. Well, we hope you have enjoyed this See It Now property tour of 1715 24th Street. And if you would like an in-person tour, give us a call.